Hi, this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Two-factor authentication is a security feature that helps protect your Facebook account and your password. If you set up two-factor authentication, you'll be asked to enter a special login code or confirm your login attempt each time someone tries accessing Facebook from a browser or mobile device that Facebook don't recognize. You can also get alerts when someone tries login in from a browser or mobile device that Facebook don't recognize. But what if you want to turn off your two-factor authentication for some reason? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Tap on account center here. Now you can tap on password and security on account settings. You will see there is an option two-factor authentication. You can tap on that. You can choose account that you want to turn off the two-factor authentication. I will choose my Facebook account. Here, you can enter your password, your Facebook password. Tap on continue. Your two-factor authentication is on. If you want to turn off, you can just tap on the method here because I'm using text message to send a code if someone tries to log in into my account. You can turn off the toggle. Now tap on turn off. Now your two-factor authentication has been disabled. So that is how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you up.